Adopting a vegan diet is perhaps the most significant change one can make in order to reduce their environmental footprint. This is besides becoming a true hippie and founding a nudist agrarian colony in the forest. Raising livestock places a great strain on the environment and the surrounding ecosystem. Compared to producing a comparable amount of soy, meat requires 12 times as much land, 13 times as much fossil fuel, and 15 times as much water. Additionally, 70% of grain produced is utilized to feed stock. A more efficient use would be to appropriate this grain towards feeding people. As our society expands, the demand for animal products does as well. Concordantly, the land area required for such agriculture does too. 30% of Earth's land surface is currently used to raise livestock. Forest area imperative to the biosphere is flattened at an alarming rate to make space for livestock. This causes accelerated climate change, soil erosion, and a loss of biodiversity. A particularly harmful method is slash and burn agriculture, in which a section of forest is burned to the ground by a man-made fire. The soil nutrients are then depleted without concern for replenishing the soil. Once the soil has been depleted, the process begins again. Raising livestock makes direct contributions to climate change and air pollution, as it emits profound amounts of greenhouse gases as well as toxic compounds. According to the World Watch Institute, the cumulative greenhouse gas emissions of livestock agriculture account for half the total worldwide emissions. Factory farms also produce massive amounts of dust and other contaminants that are carried away by the wind and inhaled by nearby residents. Waterways are devastated by livestock agriculture. According to the EPA, agricultural runoff is the primary source of pollution in our waterways. Livestock feces are often used to fertilize the crops that are eventually fed to them. This fertilizer becomes runoff and pollutes groundwater or local streams with the bacteria and drugs they contain. Besides the health benefits that a vegan diet offers, it reduces an individual's environmental footprint. Going vegan may be the solution for mankind's future survival.